Yo, I got sent the Kingbolen brake fluid tester. Yo, you're like, did you know brake fluid's hydroscopic? It will pick up moisture from the air and go bad over time. So it's like, how do I know if my brake fluid's still good? I don't want to buy some fancy tool. This thing is like dirt cheap. Like, check it out. In fact, it's so affordable, it didn't even come with batteries. We got our menu here to switch from dot 3 to other dots, and flashlight on the end, we'll turn that on and dip her in. Ooh, glare on the screen. We are at about 2% moist. Very moist. On our brake fluid, so it's getting right about flush time. We're almost up into that 3-4% range. Handy little tool to have. It's so cheap anybody can afford it. Test your brake fluid to know if you're ready for a flush. Show it to customers and say, hey, time for some new brake fluid, buddy. And this is gonna go right near my other gadgets. Power off. And be using that in the future. Also, if your brake fluid looks real nasty, brown, blackish, probably don't even need a tester for that, right? Catch you later.